So this is the Oral-B iO Series 2. It's a entry to mid-range toothbrush made by Oral-B. So let's dive right into it. You get a congratulations message on the top, and you can scan this QR code here for instructions and other deals that Oral-B have, for example, on their brush heads and their toothpaste. Inside the box, you get the toothbrush itself. It's a pretty standard toothbrush. You get the full instruction manual. You get your travel case. Then you get one brush head. That slots in like this. Some sort of stand for any brushes you have. Finally, you get the charger. It's a pretty standard 2-pin Oral-B charger. It works as such. You put the toothbrush here, and this is your plug. So this is the toothbrush itself. It's got 3 modes: slower mode, medium pace mode, and a faster mode. The light on the toothbrush indicates what mode you're on. Every 30 seconds, the toothbrush will pause and then start again to let you know to move on to the next quadrant of your mouth. When you've reached 2 minutes, it will pause 3 times and then start again. The green light also turns red when you're brushing too hard. It's got a pressure sensor. Apart from that, it's a normal electric toothbrush with a magnetic drive instead of a mechanical one. This means the noise is a lot lower compared to traditional Oral-B toothbrushes. And yeah, apart from that, it's a pretty standard product. Subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next video.